Hello friends, hope all are doing great. All are motivated, all are charged, all are behind their purpose of life, all are understanding that why time wasting is very not good thing. I mean, because time flies very fast. And the thing is that if you are motivated, if you are charged, if you are behind your purpose of life, I'm sure one day you will achieve, you will reach there, and you will accomplish your ambitions, what you have kept in your mind. Today's topic is that how important are the learnings of yours from your teachers. How do you see your teachers? आप अपने टीचर को क्या हिसाब से अपने दिमाग में देखते हो? Many people, बहुत लोग हैं जो समझते हैं कि टीचर का जॉब में कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, टीचर का जॉब का कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है. People when they hear that what you are doing and people say that I am a teacher, so people say oh teacher is okay, but then that teacher is what? That if you ask people who have reached to their top, if you ask people who have reached to their peak level of their potential, their capacity, their capability, they will tell what is the value of your teacher. People who have not reached anywhere, only those are the people who will still, I believe that उसमें भी बहुत लोग ऐसे होंगे कि जो बोलेंगे कि हाँ टीचर का वैल्यू है. अगर मैंने उस समय मेरे टीचर का वैल्यू माना होता तो टुडे आई वुड हैव बीन लिविंग अ डिफरेंट लाइफ. To support this thing, I will share a small story so that the value of teachers, the value of professors, the value of mentors, the value of coaches is very important in life, subject to you take it seriously, subject to you believe them seriously, and subject to you be on their system of tracking things and try to follow what they are telling. They will tell one line, you have to do at least 10 times that thing. तब आपको वो सक्सेस मिलेगा, तब आपको करेक्ट वैल्यू मालूम पड़ेगा टीचर्स का. 4 दोस्त थे, वो काफी जब बड़े हो गए, एक दोस्त सीईओ बन गया कंपनी का, एक दोस्त एंटरप्रेन्योर बन गया, एक दोस्त एक आईटी कंपनी में हेड बन गया, और एक दोस्त टीचर बन गया. तो 4 दोस्त थे. वो 4 दोस्त अपने लाइफ में उस स्टेज पर आ गए थे कि जहां दे वर डूइंग वेरी वेल एंड दे डिसाइडेड वन डे टू मीट. तो एक दिन वो होटल में मिले और चारों दोस्त आपस में बात कर रहे थे, और वो सीईओ फ्रेंड ने एक टॉपिक छेड़ दिया कि यार आजकल के एजुकेशन में कोई मजा नहीं है. बच्चे लोग स्कूल जाते हैं, कुछ उनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, एंड एजुकेशन इज अ प्रॉब्लम, एंड बराबर नहीं हो रहा है, जो हमने पढ़ा वही वापस पढ़ा रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसा मतलब डायनामिक नहीं है, कुछ ये नहीं है एंड ऑल दैट. और किड्स को स्कूल में जाके क्या फायदा है, दे हैव मेनी थिंग, दे कैन डू मेनी थिंग्स इन लाइफ, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई द सिस्टम, मतलब पूरा सिस्टम को ब्लेम कर रहे थे, कंप्लेन कर रहे थे ऑल दैट. तो उसके अंदर वो ग्रुप में जो टीचर फ्रेंड था, वो टीचर फ्रेंड सब सुन रहा था. तो सीईओ फ्रेंड ने उसको पूछा कि माय फ्रेंड, यू आर ए टीचर, हाउ डू यू सी ऑल दिस? You are a teacher, please tell me what do you make? I am the CEO of a company, I make this. He is an entrepreneur, he makes this. He is an IT person, he makes this. As a teacher, what are you doing? What do you make? What is your satisfaction of life? आपको क्या satisfaction है एक टीचर के जॉब में? तो जो उसका टीचर फ्रेंड था वो कुछ समय तो चुपचाप बैठा, फिर उसके बाद उसने जो बताया वो तीनों का आंख खोल दिया, और ऐसा खोल दिया कि तीनों को समझ में आ गया कि व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग एंड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट दिस फ्रेंड हु इज अ टीचर वाज डूइंग. ही इज टेलिंग दैट आई हैव द कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड अ स्टूडेंट्स अटेंशन फॉर एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर, 50 minutes on to a subject. I have the capacity to make the student think on a particular topic for half an hour, for 1 hour. I have the capacity to shape the student's mindset. जो स्टूडेंट का माइंडसेट होता है वो मैं चेंज करने की कोशिश करता हूं, और बहुत ज्यादा ये मेरा सोच होता है कि वो चेंज होना चाहिए टुवर्ड्स फ्यूचर ग्रोथ, टुवर्ड्स डेवलपमेंट, टुवर्ड्स लर्निंग, टुवर्ड्स imbibing good knowledge. I am the teacher who is very strict, who is very calm also, who is very friendly also, and who is very organized also, so that my students can learn from me, and the same thing they can also do in their life. I am the teacher who tells the student that what you are doing at present will shape your tomorrow. So either be serious in your life and do something, or if you are casual in life, then later life will not give you the time to come back to school again. I make my students learn all the things what is there in the world, all things what is new in the developing in the world, about the country, about the people, about the society, about the history, about the globe. I am the person who makes them interact with all these things, so that their mind is full with knowledge, their mind is full with experience, because at that stage they cannot go anywhere and learn this. I am the person who brings them closer to all these things, and through me they see all these things and they imbibe the knowledge, they imbibe the learning. और मेरे बताने से, मेरे बोलने से, मेरे समझाने से, मेरे एक्टिविटी से, मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन से, मेरे सीरियसनेस से, मेरे अलर्टनेस से उनका जो करियर शेप होता है, उसका रिजल्ट क्या है आप लोगों को मालूम है? तो वो तीनों दोस्त ने कुछ नहीं बोला ओके प्लीज टेल। तो उसका रिजल्ट ये है कि आई मेक अ डिफरेंस इन everybody's lives by just not educating the kids from the book, but preparing them to become the next CEO. तो CEO फ्रेंड चुपचाप देख रहा था। To become the next entrepreneur, to become the next engineer, to become the next president of the country, to become the next prime minister of the country. I am the person who is coordinating between their thought process, between their actions, and between their mindset, so that they are at least clear in my journey of 1 to 10 years or 1 to 12 years what they have to do in life. A teacher's role is so important that in that 10 to 12 years of life, if the teacher can make the student understand his clarity of purpose in life, his goal of life, capacity of the student to understand himself, the knowledge what teachers give to the student, and he tries to work on his own, the world what teachers show to the student, that possibility is a thing and everything is possible. You can become a president, you can become a CEO, you can become the multi-billionaire of the country, you can become the richest person of the country, you can do this coding, you can make a ship, you can make a aerospace, you can make a car, and you can make anything. This is what the confidence which comes in the students during that stage of schoolship is the prime role of a teacher. And the teacher only imbibes in the mind of the student that the student has a capacity, unlimited potential, unlimited capacity, unlimited capabilities, and if he explores it seriously, if he go behind it seriously, nothing is impossible. So life is full of lessons, and teachers are the one who tries to shape, who tries to mold the mind of these students so that they become the next celebrity of the country or of the world. Let's not see teachers only as a mediator of books, reading books and all that. Let's see them a person who is shaping the mindset of the students to grow in life beyond any limitations. So जब ये आंसर मिला तो तीनों फ्रेंड का फेस was calm. They thought for a few minutes they understood, and the friend who was complaining about about studies, about education and about teachers and all that, he kept quiet, and they had a good meal, they had a good laugh, they had a good understanding, and they parted ways. So my friends, never underestimate the power of a teacher, because the teacher is the only one person who gives the correct guidance, correct shaping, correct molding to that student who are serious in life, who wants to know more of their life, and who, if they take the correct path, they can reach to the stars, to the moons, to the Mars. We have examples in front of us. I hope I must have given some message out of this. Thanks a lot for listening. See you in the next video.